You can hear to max or min. Whoa, there goes the smoke alarms. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I've not ever used or bought one of these before. It's a meat thermometer, a barbecue thermometer, a heat probe. How does it arrive? I'm just going to unbox this now, and we've actually got a couple of chickens on in the oven in the background, so I might even be able to use it for the first time. So let's take this out of the box, and I can't wait to get started. I can't really use the kids' ear thermometer for, oh, that looks a bit used. And let's take off the screen protector. There's another tab here. I think when I pull that out, it activates the battery, so let's give that a go. There's a magnet on the back, and really helpfully, I thought I'd have to keep the box, but on the back, it actually gives you the temperatures it should be reading. Because I have no idea what the temperatures should be, so I'd be measuring it and I'd have no idea what it should be. Oh, you just pull the probe out. So when you open it, it activates the temperature, and there it's currently, wow, 20.9 degrees. Nobody in the house is feeling like it is 20 degrees right now. But here we have light, and you can change the degrees that you're measuring in. What's the language for that? Just press it once for the light, and then I think if you hold it down maybe, it changes from centigrade or Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can probably hear chicken coming out in the background of the oven. I'll put it back to Celsius because that's what I know. You can hear to max or min. Whoa, there goes the smoke alarms. The dog's gonna go nuts now. What is it, Casper? You gonna join in? That was a quick smoke alarm, wasn't it? They usually go on longer than that. In the packaging, there is actually some instructions. So there's a meat temperature guide. Maybe if I hold that up to the screen, you can pause the video if you want these details for the internal temperatures of the meat that you should be observing. So the hold is when you push it into the food. It's obviously going to take lots of different readings. You can just press hold once and it freezes the temperature reading so you can read it, and you press it again and it goes back to just measuring whatever it measures. Like if I hold it there, it should go up. This button down here, it says max and min. If I press that, it shows the maximum temperature that it's read. Press it again for the minimum. So that maximum was from where I held the probe just then, and the min was 18 degrees. And that's it. Those are the only three buttons. Okay, time to try this on actual chicken. So, whoa, they're the cook in the bag ones. So we need to open up the bags. So I know they're not ready yet, they're not finished, but let's temperatureze them. So I've got the barbecue meat probe thermometer thing. Let's go and probe it in. So are you able to see this? I'm going to dig it into the chicken. I guess I'm going to put it into the deepest part. Oh, hang on, it's not come on, so I need to turn it on. It's been inactive. There we go. Okay, let's stick it in. Dig it in or stick it in? Oh look, it's the wrong way around. Hang on. I need to, sorry, I need to put you on this side. It's a bit difficult to see the numbers, so let's dig it in. Can you see? Oh, if I press the button, it lights up. There you go. Oh, can you see that? I need my glasses on. Right, so that says 94.9, the old GLR frequency. If I hit hold, well, there's no need to hit hold because that's staying at 95 degrees. I'll take it out. And on the back it says, so it says for chicken, turkey and poultry, it should be 74 degrees. So that's good. So this would be cooked. That's cooked. That's the right temperature, isn't it? Let's try it on the other chicken. I'll just pretend that I've cleaned it and we'll put it into the other chicken. So stick it in, turn the light on, and that's showing 93 degrees. So that to me means that it's cooked all the way through, right? So we're just going to brown off the top, but that is good to eat. So the thermometer already works. So that's it. I know that those chickens are cooked. So if you would like one of these, I've got a link to it down in the description. This is fantastic. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. What do you think? Do you think you're going to be getting one of these meat thermometers? Is that why you're watching this video? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up. or the subscribe button. It really helps us to keep this channel going. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face.